Welcome to the March AI Showcase. This is Juan Soto. I am really happy to have you here. If you're watching this recording, please consider joining us on the AI Showcase LinkedIn group. Our first headline: ChatGPT has held off their adult mode. And the concern here is people become too dependent on it. You're having the same problem right now where people treat AI as a virtual companion. And you've heard the horror stories of people committing suicide and being adversely affected. This adult mode, there's some extreme concerns that they'll get even worse once they do the adult mode. Now, I think this is going to be inevitable because people are just going to gravitate towards this technology. And right now, this will be a virtual experience, but eventually this will couple up with robotics and we'll have companions in the not too distant future. But I'm glad they're holding off. Make sure that they do this the right way. As you can imagine, the porn industry has been always at the forefront of new technology, and I can see this already being a factor going forward. We had quite the conference last week, for their annual conference, where they made many announcements. So I encourage you to go ahead and look at the headlines that came out of it. One of them was NemoClaw, which is a play on OpenClaw, the open source version that is taking the world by fire these days. What you're seeing is NVIDIA is slowly becoming an AI firm and not just a chip firm. So they're moving towards doing all kinds of stuff, like creating custom chips as well as software. And if you invested in NVIDIA many years ago, I'm sure you're a happy camper. AI tutor technology, I'm so glad to see this headline, because students are using AI now, whether you like it or not. And as a teacher, it's pretty challenging, right? You want them to learn, not just provide answers. So having the AI tutor help them reason towards an answer is the way to go. This is just the beginning, because I do predict many years from now that we won't have physical professors, but rather AI professors teaching us. I'm not even sure the concept of college will be around 18, 20 years from now, based on the fact that you have this amazing tool to provide all the answers you need and assist you where needed, right? So it's a good start that they're creating these AI agents that not just give you the answer, but help you reason. We had a great time at Akron last week, where we invited businesses to come on a hands-on workshop where they brought their laptop and they were doing AI instead of just listening to us on how to do AI. And they created programs with vibe coding. So we had non-programmers there creating programs. It was a lot of fun. We did fun exercises as well. They were creating images, they were creating documents. It was a real eye-opener for them. And it was from 10 to 3 in the afternoon. We got some great reviews back. They thought it was strategic, enlightening, and full of money-making ideas. There were some people who felt that it was too much information, or that we were going too quick. But for the most part, the feedback was amazing. And even one person who drove out 6 hours to go there to the event, and then 6 hours to go back to Chicago. We thought that we could bring this to their company, which leads me to the offer that we have for you, where we can bring the AI workshop to your firm. You get a personalized experience. You get unlimited number of attendees for the same price. It's hands-on. You're doing AI, not just listening. We tell your employees how to properly use AI so that information doesn't leak to the web. The productivity boost is going to be amazing. It'll pay for itself and then some. The ROI for the workshop is just through the roof. We have limited spots available. If you'd like to book with me, please click on the QR code or click on the link and reach out. We'd love to hear from you. And with that, that's our show for today, and we will talk to you again next month. Thank you very much for listening.